Hook, have you ever wondered how to cash out your crypto gains from Newton? It's a common question, especially for those new to the crypto world. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing your crypto from Newton. So, let's dive in. Context: Newton is a popular Canadian cryptocurrency exchange platform. It's known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. But, at some point, you might want to convert your digital assets into fiat currency, like Canadian dollars. That's where withdrawing comes in. Step 1. Check your balance. The first step is to ensure you have enough crypto in your Newton account to withdraw. Log into your account and navigate to your wallet or balance page. This will show you the amount of each cryptocurrency you hold. Step 2. Choose your withdrawal method. Newton offers a few options for withdrawing your crypto. You can either convert to fiat. If you want to withdraw your crypto as Canadian dollars, you'll need to convert it first. Newton supports various fiat currencies. Withdraw to an external wallet. If you prefer to keep your crypto in a personal wallet, you can withdraw it directly to an external wallet address. Step 3. Select your cryptocurrency. Once you've decided on your withdrawal method, choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Ensure that the cryptocurrency is supported for withdrawal on Newton. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal requirements. Step 5. Provide withdrawal details. The requirements for this step will vary depending on your chosen withdrawal method. Converting to fiat, you'll typically need to provide your bank account information, including the bank name, account number, and transit number. Withdrawing to an external wallet, enter the wallet address where you want to send your crypto. Double-check the address to avoid errors. Step 6. Confirm and submit. Review the withdrawal details carefully before submitting. Once you're satisfied, confirm the withdrawal. Newton might require additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication, to ensure the security of your funds. Step 7. Wait for processing. After submitting your withdrawal request, it will take some time to process. The processing time can vary depending on factors like network congestion and Newton's workload. Step 8. Track your withdrawal. You can usually track the status of your withdrawal in your Newton account. This will provide you with updates on the progress of the transaction. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when withdrawing your crypto. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. Fees. Be aware of any withdrawal fees that may apply. These fees can vary based on the cryptocurrency and withdrawal method. Customer support. If you encounter any issues during the withdrawal process, don't hesitate to contact Newton's customer support for assistance. Conclusion. Withdrawing crypto from Newton is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can safely and efficiently transfer your digital assets to your desired destination. Call to action. Have you withdrawn your crypto from Newton before? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.